everyone, I'm Carissa.
I'm Zoe.
This is Ziggy.
This is Scout.
These are two kitties that we're fostering through Heart. So they are looking for a good home in a few weeks. So they're our little helpers today as we show you how to make
Cat bowls.
indoor cat gardens. So follow along with us and we'll tell you all the supplies you need.
So we need some soil and a low pot so like cats like to knock over big tall things.
They're so naughty like that, huh?
Yeah. And then you need some cat-friendly old blocks like this one. There's also these.
Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by putting our potting soil in our pot, which Zoe and I have already done so. Voila! And the second step, Zoe, what should we get going with our soil here? What do we need to do? We're gonna need to add some water to it. Would you like to add a little bit of water? So you want your soil to be nice and moist while we're planting this. And so it's usually like a granular type of consistency, and we're gonna want it a little more like doughy almost. So we'll get our hands in there. We're gonna mix it up, add a little more there. Oh, awesome job, Zoe. That was perfect. Okay, I think that's good. You can set that down. Perfect. And our next step is we're going to do that little visualization exercise, and we're going to decide where we want to place our earth so that not only it's great for our cats, but it's beautiful to look at, right? Okay, so let's start arranging some things on here. You grab what you want to grab and put it where you think it would look good. So we've got some wheatgrass here. We have lemongrass. We have rosemary. We have some thyme. We have catnip, and we have some more mint here. So I think the mint here is kind of cascading. It would be pretty if we kind of did it in front, like that, and then like kind of the tall stuff in the back.
Yeah.
And then do you think we should use
Like flowers in the middle.
flowers in the middle? Okay, let's move this grass up here and do flowers in the middle. What do you think about that? Okay, all right, let's get started then. Let's go ahead and do the spearmint first. And so mint is, like anything in the mint family, is great for cats. They love it. If you're ever worried about what is cat safe, you can always go on the ACSPA. I'm butchering that, but I think you guys know what I'm talking about. But they'll give you a nice description of what's non-toxic for cats and what's great for cats and all pets in general. So we're gonna kind of spread out the roots there because those little roots found. Spread it out, and it's got this gorgeous cascading effect. All right, you're up next, girlie. Where do you want to put down?
Maybe this will go here.
Okay, so we're gonna dig a little hole, get it in there, get our hands dirty. ACSPA. Man, that's gonna bother me. That looks awesome. Okay, what's next? Oh, we wanted the flower in the middle, huh? Okay, let's get that guy in there. And so thyme is a great calming herb for cats. They really enjoy thyme for that reason. Awesome. How are we looking here?
Good, maybe some right here.
Okay, what do you want there? I'm gonna add a little bit more potting soil. You pick what you want next.
Maybe some lemongrass.
Yes, some lemongrass. That is an awesome one for cats. It has a similar effect that catnip does if your cats don't like catnip. It kind of is a stress reliever of sorts for them.
It's really loose.
It's really loose. All right, grab it out, girl. Get it. And so anything in the mint family is actually a flea repellent as well. I can totally get it out. So we'll get this. I think this one will look right up here, just like you said. Yeah, this one is kind of loose, huh? Loosey-goosey a little bit. But that's perfect. Let's get that in there. And then I was saying mint is a flea repellent. Also, rosemary is as well. So it's safe for your cats, and it gets rid of those fleas. All right, you ready for this one?
Yep.
Alrighty, girl. Dig yourself a hole. You can massage the roots again. I know you're very good at that, breaking them up a bit.
Like in our rainbow garden.
Yeah, like in our rainbow garden. That was so fun. We'll have to go look at that later today.
You didn't watch that rainbow garden.
Yeah, totally should. Or we could fill in either with the grass over here, or we could add in some rocks. What would you like to do?
Maybe we'll add in some rocks to make it back.
Yeah, make it look nice and pretty. Alrighty, girl. Oops, that fell. But we can also use some figurines that are fun.
Also decorate it if you want before.
So a good reason to make this for cats is because, for one, to protect your houseplants, because if your cats love plants, giving them their own garden is a great way to deter them from doing that. And also, cats like to be stimulated in a lot of ways, so having a garden for them to play with instead of being outside is kind of fun and exciting for them. Cool. So let's go ahead and take a little bit of this stuff, which is a ground cover that is in the spearmint family. So cats will like this as well. Reach over. And we're just gonna tear some pieces out of it and stick it in to some of our spots that are empty. So just in our front here, since the rocks in the back. Good job. Awesome. We're gonna spritz some water on to get it to stick down nice and good. All right, what do you think, Zoe?
I think it's good.
All right.
This is the final project. Hope your cats will like it. And
Yeah, we really hope your cats will love it. I'm so excited to take this home to my cats. And we have some nursery cats here at Thistle and Acacia that I'm sure will love it too. Come and visit us here at the Cambria Nursery Florist. We would love to help you out and find some cat-friendly or pet-friendly plants to make your own pet garden. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next week.